In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw crypto from the platform LBank. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible, you simply have to go down to the video description and click on the first link and you will get to exactly this page right here. Then you can get up to $6,000 in bonuses. Right after you've signed up, simply go up here to the bonus center. And then as you can see, depending on how much you deposit and trade over time, you can get up to $6,000 in bonuses. To create your account, then simply enter your email address right here and set a password or use Apple or Google sign up, and then you're ready to go. So to withdraw any crypto, you simply go up here to the wallet symbol and then click on withdraw. Then up here, make sure to choose USDT, select on-chain, then paste in here the address where you want to send the money and select a network down here. Of course, make sure to select the same network as from the exchange or wallet that you're sending the money to. In my case, I'm going to select the Tron network because this is a Tron address. Down here, enter the amount you want to withdraw. You will also see your available balance down here, or you can also just click on all. And then all you need to do is just click down here on confirm and the money will be sent immediately. You should receive it within a few minutes. If you're sending larger amounts, I recommend you to first send a small amount, and once you've received it, send the remaining amount with the second transaction. And if you also want to know how to withdraw any fiat currency to your own bank account, I have a separate video on that, link down in the description on my channel. Don't forget to create an account on LBank by using the link down from the video description to get your best sign-up bonus possible with up to $6,000 in bonuses. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.